Hey, it's Coach Janice in the Murfreesboro office, and I'm joined today by Camera Hog. I'm kidding, she does not want to be videoed at all. Miss Shari Parker. So Shari has hit maintenance today. She has been in the program a little over 160 days. She has met her goal weight, but on our scale, she has met all the requirements for maintenance. So, Shari, if you want to just sign that cannon, I will hold it still for you. Again, Shari Parker, she has lost 40 pounds of fat, just doing great. Very faithful to the 5 to Thrive. Shari, any words, any encouragement to anyone who's looking to make their lives better, feel better, be healthier?
I would just say take it a day at a time. Don't get discouraged. Each day is a new day. And if you ever have questions, talk to your coach. Janice has been great. Anything that I have a question with, that the weigh-ins has always been answered and encouragement is always given. So don't ever give up, because every day is a new day.
Oh, that's excellent. I'm so glad Shari did a video. Shari, congratulations.